Pakistani celebrities were all praised for Maryam Nawaz-led government's 100 days in power, but not ordinary citizens. Pakistanis are criticizing this mass appreciation by celebrities as paid promotion and are now calling for a boycott of these celebs. Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Devdatta, and in this episode of What's Trending in Pakistan, we look at how a campaign for Maryam Nawaz's good governance backfired on the Pakistani celebs. Now, several celebrities, including actors Sanam Sayyad, Urwa Hussain, singer Aima Baig, and others, put out posts on social media appreciating the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz's government efforts. It backfired when instead of applause, they faced a chorus of criticism. Pakistan's Tehreek-e-Insaf party too was not far behind and decided to cash in on the disapproval. The Maryam Nawaz-led Punjab government has for long now been facing criticism for corruption and inefficiency. Farmers have been protesting over wheat scam, there have been protests on blasphemy killings, among other issues. Now, Pakistanis are disappointed. They don't know what is worse for their superstars. With Sanam Sayyad posting celebratory posts for the PMLN government on social media and Fawad Khan now choosing to make his big screen comeback with a Bollywood movie, they are having a hard time understanding their loyalties. One Twitter user said, and I quote, "Sanam Sayyad doing paid promotion for PMLN and celebrating 100 days of Maryam Nawaz. She doesn't even live in Punjab. And Fawad Khan back to working in India. What a downgrade for our superstars, extremely disappointing." What had happened was that most celebrities had put out posts on social media with the hashtag Khidmat ke 100 din, listing out the government's achievements. Sayyad was then called a disappointment for promoting a fascist government. Citizens are now calling out the celebrity-led promotion of a selector boot policia Nagin Maryam Nawaz. Others want a public apology from these celebs or to risk facing a complete boycott. PTI wrote on its social media channel that PMLN is completely exposed here. Influencer marketing plans have backfired. Now, celebrities are deleting their videos after realizing their blunder of supporting the fascists. Influencer Junaid Akram faced criticism following his YouTube vlog for the Punjab government. PTI supporters soon highlighted disparities between claimed achievements and actual conditions, urging their followers to boycott the influencers who were involved in the campaign. Actor Bilal Qureshi further escalated the situation by disclosing that he had been solicited for a paid promotional effort and also shared a screenshot of the proposal. For a day, PTI or Pakistan's Tehreek-e-Insaf party had its priority sorted. The party then ran a hashtag Mandate Thieves on its social media handles and called out the PMLN government. Podcaster Muzammil Hassan tweeted, "I think the 100-day digital campaign was a good exercise. At least people now know that you can't buy your way to positive sentiment on social media. No amount of paid promotion can sell a product the consumer doesn't like." Pakistanis are now busy calculating how much public money was spent on this promotion. To this, Hassan further added that based on his experience and the total number of people engaged in this campaign, the guess would be between 20 to 30 million plus agency fees. It could have been more because most people wouldn't have taken it unless it was a crazy premium because everyone would already have expected the backlash. Journalist Moeed Pirzada too questioned the celebrities' posts, calling them out for choosing to indulge in political posts after claiming to be so-called apolitical. Amid the backlash, most actors switched off their comment section. In a long response to the criticism, Urwa Hussain said that she is still apolitical and just chose to support women-led initiatives. Meanwhile, amid all of this, Maryam Nawaz shared posters of the 100 Days of Punjab government and talked about new initiatives like Maryam Ki Dastak in the Punjab Assembly. Good or bad, one thing is for sure. Apart from taking a better shot at governance, Punjab CM Maryam Nawaz also needs a few tips on better marketing strategies, perhaps one without celebs having to speak on her behalf.